Yeah, man, we in the studio right now. My boy Khan, 20 on the beat. I be poppin' now. I done made 1000K, you see I'm poppin' now. I'm a genius with my lyrics, we ain't jotting down. I done seen too many fell, I took the proper route. With my money, bought some ice, and now I'm bound to drown. Vibing with my flow, you know that I don't need a penny. I done signed a deal and now I'm riding with $1 million. Seeing that I made it, I get paid for every minute. I done took city over, calling me the minute. And the people from the outside like bet the fame is good, but scared if I'm caught lacking, lose my life before I should. Yeah, I like that money, but that fame be overrated. And of course I love my fans, so don't get misunderstood. One thing, rapping too hard might knock me off my hinges. Too far, I can't give them now because I always had an image. 3 cars up in the video, you know that they all written. 4 bars, I put a number, every line up in the center. What's that?
I got 0 friends.
Y'all ready for this?
Yeah, man, we in the studio right now. My boy Khan, 20 on the beat. I be poppin' now. I done made 1000K, you see I'm poppin' now. I'm a genius with my lyrics, we